Here's how I would start a Skool community from scratch in 2026. You really want to go as niche as possible. As niche as goddamn possible. The reason for that is because even if you don't have traffic, even if you don't have money, even if you have nothing, if you go niche, then there's probably people searching for that thing. Why is that important? Well, that's important because Skool Discovery gets 1 million visitors, almost, I'm pretty sure, a day. A day. And you think to yourself, okay, but I'm not on the #1 page. Doesn't matter, right? Because 70% of Discovery members come from search, which is huge. Another thing is also that Skool is currently, if you've seen the gossip, it's currently running ads for its communities, which is pretty goddamn cool. The reason you want to go niche is because when they go search, your community will come up. To rank high in Discovery, it's actually really, really simple. It's kind of stupid. So you got to think about how does that actually make sense from a Skool point of view? Because on Skool, when you go to search and you search something up, there's the banner, there's the name, there's the group description, and then when you click onto it, there's the about page, and there's the about page copy. Now, Skool's not advanced enough yet to actually read through your video and get the transcript like YouTube would be to make the perfect recommendation. So it is my opinion after testing that it's actually pretty simple to rank high in Discovery. You optimize the name. So if you're about running a 5K mile, then you put 5K mile as the name. Stupidly simple. Whatever niche thing it is that you do. And then the group description, you put with all the keywords down around that thing. And then it goes about page, copy. So what are you actually putting in those 1,000 words? And then it would go keywords. So that's the hierarchy of things that matter. It goes names, group description, about page, copy, and then the keywords. If you nail those, you will rank highly in your niche, which is huge because then everybody goes to you. So even if you don't have some sort of following or don't have whatever the excuse is in your head, you can make it work. At this point, you just need an offer because you have your niche down, you have the about page, now you just need to create an offer. Creating an offer is actually simpler than people think. And it's something that people really just kind of procrastinate on. The simplest way I have seen to create an offer is to get on one-on-one calls with people and talk to them and then ask them what they want. That's pretty much it, because you need to understand what the market wants, not needs necessarily. It's like, I personally like doing business as ethically as possible. To me, that means giving people what they want and need. So I would never sell some sort of cigarettes, for example. I find that disgusting. So you can, even if you're planning to sell an extreme low ticket, like $5, $10, $15, doesn't matter. Just get on calls with people and ask them what they want. If you want to short circuit this a little bit, if there is other communities on Reddit, on Skool, whatever it is, or on YouTube, go on YouTube, get the most popular videos, get the transcript, put it inside ChatGPT, go to Reddit, go to those communities, ask Claude to scrape through it or just copy and paste everything and just get the most popular stuff, and then you'll get some sort of idea of where to start. And you can build on top of that with the new people that automatically join your community through Discovery. And then you just sell those people. Either you do high ticket, so that's 1K plus, and you get on calls with those people, or you can turn your community into low ticket at $9 a month. Works either way, 10 out of free trial for that. You're chilling. Your next step is scaling the community. Oh my God, I have a community called Skool Scaling. Isn't that crazy? You can join that below and hop on a one-on-one call. Or if you just want help doing the setup, then I can also help with that, which is so cool because I'm also extremely cool. Go below and click that button link. Bye.